I'm late 10 minutes. So last class, I think I have completed. I started 4.3. I've started 4.3 or not? Last class.
Yes, ma'am.
Achha. Increasing, decreasing, it is over. The definition of increasing, decreasing.
And question number 21 is over.
Oh, already concavity, convexity, it is everything over.
Yes, ma'am. Some questions
now,
are over and some are left.
okay, we'll do now. So here now, question number 16, 21. Let us solve question number 20, that is in your classwork. Not done in your PDFs, do it. Question number 20 is I have done here. I'm going to explain you. Fx is equal to question number 20. Fx is equal to x square by x minus 1. The question is asking, find the local maximum and minimum values of f using both first and second derivative test. And yes,
And
it is done.
question number 38 you are doing the only we have written the question. You told today you will solve.
So listen here, in your PDF, different questions are done.
Okay, ma'am.
But in your lesson plan, that is your question number 16, 20, and 42 and 46.
So ma'am, that question we will left.
You left that question. That is not in your assignment also. You left that question. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
If
ma'am.
you want, I'll discuss that one, no problem. When I saw your lesson plan, it is different. You have to go according to your lesson plan.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So 21 is also not there. That is there, it is 16, then 20, then it is your. If you want to take a picture of your lesson plan, you can take that picture photo. If you want to, yes, photocopy or by the mobile, you can take. It is not coming. What happened? Yes, it is coming. Yes, take a copy, photocopy. Over. It is over.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 2.8, it is over now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
3.7 is not in your course. 3.7. Oh, okay. Sorry. 3.7. Done. Cut. Whatever. Okay, 3.7. Over up to 4.3. You see here it is 16, 20, 42, 46. But in PDF it is done. You'll get question from here according to your lesson plan. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Done. I think it is over. It's okay. Question number 20. Fx is equal to x square by x minus 1. Okay, so the question is asking to find out the local maximum and local minimum by using the first order and second order, both method, or which one you prefer. So which one you prefer to find out the local maximum and local minimum? I'll do according to that. Which one? First order or second order?
First one.
Okay. So here, so if you go by the first one, then we have to find out the critical point, isn't it? We have to find out the critical point first.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we'll do, the solution, if this x is equal to 2x, x minus 1, then minus x square, divided by x minus 1 square. Put it equal to 0. This implies we get it is your 2x square minus x square. So it is x square minus 2x equal to 0. This implies x is equal to
0 and 2.
very good. 0 and here x is equal to 0 and 2. Then what is your critical point here? Tell me. Critical point.
0 and 2.
Only 0 and 2.
Ma'am, 1.
Only 0. Yes, somebody saying?
0, 2 and 1.
Yes, because it is not defined at 1. The function is not defined at 1. So we say 0, 2 and 1. 0, 2 and 1 is the critical point. So critical point, write down. It is 0, 1, 2. What is the domain of this function? Domain.
All real numbers except 1.
but 1 is you are considering as the critical point. Here, so find out the interval. Interval, then f dash x, that is our value f dash x is equal to x into x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 square, then the ap, increasing or decreasing. Okay, tell me the interval. Tell me the
Minus to 0.
yes, minus infinity less than x is less than 0, then
0 to 1.
very good, 0 is less than x is less than 1, then
1 to 2.
then
2 to
2
infinity.
to infinity.
minus infinity to 0, the functional f dash x is positive or negative. Always see that denominator is positive because it is square here.
Ma'am, negative, I think.
It is negative. All clear
Positive,
saying
Negative. Yes, ma'am.
it is, I am getting here, it is negative. Here also it is negative. Negative into negative is negative.
Ma'am, positive, positive.
I'm
Ma'am.
positive.
Minus 1 into minus 3. 3.
Any value in between that you can consider here it is minus 1. If you are taking that the value of x is minus 1, then it is minus 1 into minus 3 is your positive value. So we get it is positive. Here. So f is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Then 0 to 1,
Negative.
it is decreasing. Then 1 to 2,
Negative.
2 to infinity,
Positive.
so over this 2 interval, that is minus infinity to 0 and it is 0 to 1, increasing, and at 0 then it is decreasing, is not it? Increasing and decreasing. So what you are getting here at 0? What you are getting? Local maximum. At 0, then f of 0 also I am getting it is 0. The value of the local maximum is 0. Clear? It is 0. When I am putting the value 0, it is I am getting 0. Clear? Clear here?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it is in this interval decreasing and decreasing over here, these two, 0 to 1 and 1 to 2, decreasing and decreasing, is not it? Then after 2, it is 2 to infinity, it is increasing. So it is decreasing, then it is increasing.
Local minimum 2.
Yes. To f of 2.
4.
So clear to all of you? Clear to all of you here? The question is asking about the local maximum and minimum at which point you are getting. Nothing by using first order or second order. Which one is suitable for you?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, according to definition of critical numbers,
Yes.
critical number of a function f is a number c in the domain of f. Ma'am, but here 1 is not included in the domain of function
Now
f.
it is written in the critical number. The definition it is here. What is that critical number? And it is not defined. Yes,
Yes,
domain
ma'am,
here. But
f
here
dash
where
c
it
does.
is here,
Yes, ma'am.
you see, on that question also I am not getting it is as critical number here.
Ma'am, here 1.
It is there is no value here in this at G. You know, at 1.
Yes, ma'am. So f dash c does not exist, but it also says that domain of f, that is
Yes.
c belongs to domain of f. But here domain
Yes.
of f is all real numbers except 1. Then according to this, 1 should not be the critical number. If the domain of f includes 1 and it is still f dash at 1 does not exist, then we can say that 1 is the critical number. But here, since 1 is not included in a domain, then how is it possible that 1 is the critical number?
Where is your definition? I am searching the definition of the critical number. Let me first see that one. It is 4.2 critical number.
No, ma'am, 4.1.
4.1. Yes. A function f is a number c in the domain of f such that f is equal to c equal to 0.
Yes, ma'am. So C
Or
must belong
it
to
is
domain
written
of
f
f.
dash c does not exist. Or
Yes, ma'am. So f dash c does not exist, but
Hmm.
it's also written here that number c in the domain of f. F is critical number of a function. F is a number c in the domain of f.
now I am audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am connected with my mobile because it is disconnected. No connect internet in the college. Okay, so it is disconnected. Now I am not able to show you the share you. If current will come, then I'll share you. So okay, yes. One you cannot consider here. One you cannot consider. Only 0 and 2 are the critical point.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I was saying. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So where is I'm not able to connect. So you find out. So okay, here it is increasing at 0 and decreasing at 2. Is not it? So when I will consider the interval j minus infinity to 0, then find out the interval. Okay. According to that, you find out your value. So you find out your interval here. It is minus infinity is less than x is less than 0. Then 0 is less than x is less than 2. Then 2 is less than x is less than infinity. According to that, you find out your value. According to that, you find out your value. But still then I am in doubt here for 1. Okay, I'll clear your doubt. I am clear myself also, I'll clear your doubt. later on. I'm audible here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No net now. So you write down and find out minus infinity to 0, what you are getting? What you are getting?
Ma'am, increasing.
It is increasing. Then 0 to 2,
Decreasing.
Decreasing.
decreasing. Increasing, then 0 to 2, it is decreasing. Okay, then 2 to infinity,
Positive. Increasing.
Decreasing.
increasing. So increasing, decreasing, then increasing. So according to that, you find out your local maximum at 2 point, I think. You find out your local maximum and minimum. No light in my room also. Huh? Where you are getting local maximum at which point and at which point you are getting the local minimum?
Ma'am, maximum at 0 and minimum at 2.
Maximum at
0.
0 and minimum at 2. So we are getting that value here also. So
You are not audible clearly.
I'm not audible. What I
Now,
do?
okay.
No. Now, okay. So I'm at outside of my room. Okay. So next question, we'll go for the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
So now light come. Let us see whether the net is coming or not. We'll go for the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next question is our that is your question number. What I said, question number 42, na? I think that is your question number 42 or not? So now it is visible. What I said
No, ma'am, not visible or not audible clearly.
in my laptop. I'm not audible. Yes, I'm asking you, I'm audible or not?
Yes, madam.
Okay. No internet. Okay. Okay, question number 42, write down. Write down your question number 42. Fx is equal to, I'm audible? Fx is equal to, I'm audible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down question. Fx is equal to ln x to the power 4 plus 27. Ln x to the power 4 plus 27. All of you have written? That is question number 42 of your book. You can see that one. Find the interval of increase or decrease. Find the interval of increase or decrease. Written? All of you have written? Respond me.
Yes, ma'am.
Then bit B. Find the
Ma'am, please
local.
repeat.
First bit A is your find the interval of increase and decrease or decrease.
Yes, ma'am.
Then C. Find the interval of yes.
Ma'am, question number B, you are telling question number B that was not audible to us.
Question number 42.
Ma'am, B part.
B part. Find the local maximum and minimum values. Find the local maximum and minimum values. Audible? It is audible now or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Yes, ma'am, now okay.
Then C. Find the interval of concavity and the inflection points.
Ma'am, please repeat again.
Find the intervals of concavity and the inflection points. Okay, try to do. First, you find out the interval of increase or decrease. What is the domain here? Tell me first.
Ma'am, all real numbers.
Yes, it is x4 plus 27 is equal to is greater than 0. You have to write down like that. When you
Yes,
find
ma'am.
out your domain, it is x4 plus 27 greater than 0. So what we are getting here, x4 is greater than minus 27. So we are getting imaginary value sum. So here we say the domain is our all real number. Is that clear? So if it is all real number, then you find out f dash x.
4x cubed by x to the power 4 plus 27.
Is the value to the power 4 plus 27. Of x here. What is the value
Ma'am,
of x?
not audible.
Ma'am, not audible anything.
0. 4x
I'm
cube.
not audible.
I'm here writing wrong. This what you get 4x. Not audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what I'll do?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Voice is taking.
Huh? Yes. I am in my mobile. Nothing is clear, ma'am. Your writing. You got your question or not? I'm asking you. You have your question or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it. Try to do. Write down your interval. Write down your interval. It is visible. Screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what did your interval tell me? Your function is your fx is equal to was 27. Interval tell me minus infinity less than x is less. So what is your critical point? You got your critical point. I am audible.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am audible or not?
Audible, ma'am.
I'm asking you. I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm audible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Minus infinity less than x, then less than
0.
critical number.
Ma'am, your the sound is just coming
So
with
minus
some.
infinity less than x, then less than
0.
it is 0. It is visible. I think.
Ma'am, you please use the earbuds. Ma'am, your sound is coming with noise, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the screen is blurry, ma'am.
Find out. Okay. 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 I'm going to using my earbuds. What happened?
Audible?
Yes, ma'am.
No one replying.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay. So, okay. So now here, I've written So what you are getting here, it is minus infinity to 0, f dash x, it is positive or negative? It is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
It is negative. So if it is negative, then it is increasing or decreasing? F is
Decreasing.
decreasing, isn't it? Then 0 to infinity? 0 to infinity? So it is increasing. So local maximum are you getting here?
No, ma'am. Only
At
local
0,
minimum.
so only local minimum value is our x is equal to 0. Isn't it? Only local minimum value is our x is equal to 0. So what you are getting, fx is equal to the value of f of 0 is equal to local minimum value, that is ln 0 plus 27. So we get it is ln 27. So you find out your value, local minimum value, that is ln 27 is how much? You have calculator.
3 ln 3.
Okay. Hi, 3. Yes, 3 ln 3. Then 3 into ln 3 you have to find out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we got here the first interval of increasing and decreasing. Then we find out the local maximum and minimum already over. Then for the concavity test. Isn't it? So f double dash we find out. F double dash. Tell me the value. I have not written f dash x, so that's why I'm not going to do that f double dash x. Tell me. Tell me f double dash x. F dash x, you got it your, I think you got it is a 4x cube divided by x4 plus 27. Is not it? F dash x. 4x cube this is. So now f double dash x is our
Ma'am,
12
12 x to the power 6 plus 324 x square
for 324 x square
plus 12 x to the power
this
5.
plus 12 x to the power 5.
Yes, ma'am, I think.
Ma'am, 324 x square minus 4 x with the power of 6 divided by x with the power of 4 plus 27 whole square.
I'm doing here it is 12 x to the power 6 then minus I'm doing now myself. It is I got this value
into 81
that
minus
is your
x4 by
4x cube into the derivative of so it is 4x cube then plus 27 it is your 0, okay, divided by the value x to the power 4 plus 27 whole square. I think this is correct. It is visible? It is visible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So I think this is correct. You are getting f dash x is equal to 4x cube by x to the power 4, x to the power 4 plus 27, is not it? We are getting. So when we differentiate, that is derivative of 4x cube, that is your 12, sorry, what I have written here it is? Sorry, I have written here it is.
Something wrong is there.
Something wrong. It is
ma'am,
12x square, yes.
f
Yes,
double dash
x4
x
plus,
equals to 4x square into
yes.
81 minus x4 by x4 plus 27 whole square.
What you say?
4x square
I'm-
into 81 minus x4. In the
No,
remaining.
I'm going to the next page. Four. Numerator is
4x square into
4.
81 minus x square.
What you are saying?
4x square.
Tell me.
Ma'am, 4x square into 81 minus x4.
What you are saying or I do?
I'm already saying.
I get that. तथापि नेट आसेनी 4x cube divided by x to the power 4 plus condition. So now f double dash is our twelve x square into x to the power 4. So 4x square. Simplify you. So I'm doing now. Now I'm doing minus. I'm doing now 4x cube. What you get? 12 x to the power 6. It is minus. So we get it is our (81) x square minus it is x to the power 6. 81 divided by 4 plus x to the power 4 plus 27 square will get. Put this is equal to 0. What is the value of x? What is the value
0
of
and
x
3.
now?
0 and 3.
Tell me. What is the value of x? I am asking you. You are audible?
Ma'am, 3, ma'am.
It is, I am getting, what I get it is our, tell me. Yes. It's not audible to me. Tell me, I am audible?
Yes, ma'am.
I am audible? What the hell? Huh? Your voice is not audible to me. I don't know I am audible or not. The point of inflection, the value of x and the double derivative. You got it or not? You got it or not? I am asking you. You are not audible to me. You are not audible to me. Yes.
Yeah, audible.
Somebody say